This is Paul. Yeah. The court, yeah, can't do whatever they want. No. Mm-mm. No. You can't renew a protection order based upon the false accusation of violating a protection order. Yeah. You can't issue a protection order without any due process to the respondent. Yeah. hmm You can't say that I violated a protection order when I'm trying to inform you of the conditions of the probation. Yeah. You can't motion a court for dissolution of marriage. Yeah. And then have me arrested at the same time as serving me. Yeah. Now, for those in the county that didn't know these things, yeah, I'm wanting to make sure that you understand. Yeah. That the individuals, yeah, known as the citizens of the United States, they do have rights. Did you know that? Right now! No. Obviously, I informed you that my rights are being violated. Yeah. And you as a county decided to use terrorism to obstruct the enforcement of parenting rights. Yeah. Renter rights. Ooch. Property rights. Yeah. And then the rights to have you sued and prosecuted. And every day that you do that, right now, it causes me to want to make absolutely sure. Yes. That there's not a judge in the United States or anywhere else in the world, really, that ever violates any of the rights. Now, Washington law component. Yeah. And could you get me all of the attorneys in the Bar Association? Yes. See, my rights are being violated. Yeah. And the sheriffs and the undersheriff, Ron Peregrine. Yeah. They all wanted to say that I was crazy. Yeah. For knowing that my wife took my sons. And then you read one sentence. Yeah. I'll get you the financial information in 10 days. Yeah. And you allowed for an order of default. Yeah. Based upon your copy of my response. Yeah. Without any consideration of the 50 pages of supporting documentation. Now, I just wanted to make sure that you didn't misinterpret what I was going to say. I will get you the supporting documentation in 10 days. Yeah. Now, if I was to actually read that approximate last sentence of the response, yeah, did that mean that I didn't respond? No. Did I say I would respond in 10 days? No. What exactly did I say? I thought I had responded within the 90 days. Yep. I'd completed the required children in the middle class. Yep. I'd paid the sheriff's department to serve the petitioner. And understanding that you can't have a default order of judgment without any notice to the respondent that you're motioning for a default judgment. Right now, it seems to me that I was missing out on a whole lot of due process. Now, the Superior Court Judge Brent Baisden. Yeah. Did you read anything else in the 5 pages? Yeah. Did you look at the well, I want custody of all of them. I want Marilyn and her children. And I want sued and prosecuted. Yes. Any and all crimes that I have documented. And your excuse for refusing to enforce the laws. Yeah. That I'm mentally ill. Seriously. Hate crimes. Now, I'm going to want all your assets. Mandatory restitution toward injury. Class action lawsuits. Yep. And if I'm right on this whole partial payment to Spokane Superior, yeah, I will include as many individuals as I can find in any and all lawsuits that I've documented. Yes. As a class of persons that are intentionally being wronged. Right now! Because judges and court commissioners do not understand what they are doing. You are actually too stupid to be in office. You do not have the intellectual ability to be the office of a judge. Yeah. Now, it used to be that being an attorney, well, that gave you some real life experience. Yeah. It used to be that practicing in the Supreme Court of the state implied that you were very good at your actual profession. But to be able to be a court commissioner,